Hello students, today in this video I will tell you about the geometric progression, but sum to n terms in geometric progression. In this book Understanding ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal, there is an exercise 10.6, but before that I want to tell you about what is the sum to n terms, means formulae of the geometric progression. First formula of the nth term in geometric progression that I have told earlier, a r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term, r is the common ratio, n is the number of term. Then sum to n terms in GP. So how we find? There are the three formulae in the sum to n terms. First is Sn is equal to a 1 minus Rn upon 1 minus r. In this case r is less than 1. If r is less than 1, then we use this formula. Second case, a r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. This is the case when r is greater than 1. मतलब जब common ratio 1 से अधिक हो, the greater than 1, then we use this one, otherwise we use this one. But the one more formula, that is the series up to infinity. कुछ सीरीजें होती हैं जो up to infinite होती हैं. In that case we cannot use these two formulae because they are the nth term, the limited terms. But in the infinite series there are unlimited terms. We cannot find the nth term. So in this case the formula is a upon 1 minus r, and the r must lies between minus 1 to 1. इसका मतलब होता है minus 1 to 1. r lies between modulus of 1. So these are the three formulae that you will use in the 10.6 exercise. And these alphabets A, R, N, these are as the usual meaning जो इसमें था वही इसमें. Now question based on direct formula. Find the sum of exercise 10.6. The first question, there are so many parts, and how to find, like the question number 1, 10th part of this. 7 minus 1 plus 1 by 7. Series is 7 minus 1 plus 1 by 7 plus minus 1 by 49, etc. up to infinity. This is given. So first you find the A is 7 because the first term. R is minus 1 upon 7. क्योंकि second term upon first term. Third term upon second term. In every case you will get the ratio minus 1 by 7. So the formula is a upon 1 minus r. So this will be 7 upon minus 1 minus 1 by 7. This will be 7 upon 1 plus 1 by 7. R 7 after taking LCM 49 by 8. This is the sum to infinity. Now the other questions in this exercise, there are so many questions, but question number 5. Question: if the sum of the first 6 terms of any GP is equal to 9 times the sum of the first 3 terms. If the sum of first 6 terms of any GP, मतलब कि S6 is 9 times the sum of first 3 terms, 9 times the S3. First 3 terms, find the common ratio of the GP. मतलब इसका रिलेशन बनाना है, जो S6 लिखा है इसका मतलब होता है कि sum to 6 terms, sum to 3 terms, and then use the relation A, because A you don't know the first term, and 1 minus r to the power n. You can write r to the power n minus 1 because the this is not given. कोई भी लिख सकते हैं, r to the power n minus 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Number of terms is n 6 in this case. तो दिस इज r to the power 6 minus 1 and is equal to 9a r cube minus 1 upon r minus. अब देखिए ये तो कैंसिल कर दे, a कैंसिल कर दे and r to the power 6 minus 1 you can write like this r cube plus 1. Can you write a square minus b square form? So 9 r cube minus 1 and again these two terms are cancelled. So r cube plus 1 is equal to 9, r cube is equal to 8, r is equal to 2. This is the common ratio, simple way. Then question number you can see here, seventh second part. How many terms of the sequence 1, 4, 16 must be taken to have their sum equal to 341? 1, 4, 16 must be taken to have their how many terms sum equal to 341. मतलब ऐसे अगर हम n टर्म्स मान लें तो ये 341 एंड दिस इज इन जीपी. तो जीपी का ही फॉर्मूला लगेगा, नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स पूछ रहा है यानी n इज आस्किंग. तो a is equal to 1, r is equal to 4, 4 by 1 or 16 by both are same. Then using formula Sn, because the value is greater than 1, so use the formula r to the power n minus 1 upon r minus 1. Sn 341, a means 1, r means 4 to the power n minus 1 upon 4 minus 1. Then simplify 4 minus 1, that is 3, 3 into this, so 4 to the power n minus 1, 341 into 3, then 4 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 1023 and this minus 1 take that side. So 4 to the power 1 is equal to 1024 and this you can write as 2 to the power 2n. Okay, because 2 is square and then multiplied by the power and this is the 2 to the power 8 is 256 and 2 to the power 256 into 2 512 मतलब 9 512 10 to the power 10. This is the 2 to the power 10. So on comparing, because bases are equal, so 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 5. So number of terms are 5. In that case the sum is 341. इसको आगे बढ़ा करके चेक भी कर सकते हैं, otherwise no need. If you know that is this is correct, then no need to check. Say question number 11. If you see 11, evaluate 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 into 1 by 8 into up to infinite terms. Find the value of this. There are into side, not plus. तो और सारे टर्म से बेसिस सेम है. It means you can add in the power of 3. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 up to infinity. And then let this you take as the one variable, that is a suppose. So let 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 up to infinity is equal to s. इसको s लेंगे और जब ये सॉल्व हो जाए तो इसी में रख दे, आंसर आ जाएगा. So this is the equation 1. Now in this case, which type of series? A is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1 by 2. You can check and use the formula a upon 1 minus r. So put a means 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. after solving, and s is equal to 2 you put in this equation 1, तो क्या आएगा? So it will come 3 to the power 2. The value of this is 2. So 3 to the power 2 means 9. The answer is 9. तो इस तरह से ये आंसर्स आ सकते हैं. Seventeenth question: if the first term of GP is 5, first term of GP is 5, and the sum of the first 3 terms is 31 by 5. Sum of first 3 terms, मतलब a plus ar square is 31 by 5. Okay, find its common ratio. तो ये भी easy है. Value of a you can put here. So 5 1 plus r square is equal to 31 by 5, and then cross multiplication, r square into 25 is equal to 31, then 25 r square plus 25 r plus 25 के that side is equal, या इसको इधर ले आए तो minus 31 means 6 is equal to 0. This is quadratic one. 150 के 2 फैक्टर करें, 30 and 5, तो 25 r square plus 30 r minus 5 r minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 r is common, 5 r plus 6 minus 5 is common, 1 is common, 5 r plus 6 is equal to 0. 5r plus 6 and 5r minus 1 is equal to 0. तो r is equal to 1 by 5, r minus 6 by 5. So these are the values of the common ratio. Then other questions. One more, that is I want to tell you in which you have to do some more things, like question number 23. 1 plus x plus x square up to n terms. 1 plus x, 1 plus x plus x square and up to n terms. This you have to find the sum. How to find? In this case, if you see, then in the different brackets you are looking the GP series. But if you add this one, मतलब कि ऐसे करें तो ये GP series नहीं. You have to change into the GP RAP. कोई एक series में change करना है. अगर देखें तो इसको 1 minus x से multiply कर दे तो 1 minus x square आ जाएगा. इसको 1 minus x से multiply कर दे तो 1 minus x cube आ जाएगा. And there so on. तो इसलिए multiply and divide by the whole series 1 minus x. तो divide क्यों करेंगे? Why? Because we cannot change anything in the question. तो अगर हम multiply कर रहे हैं 1 minus x से तो divide भी करेंगे. तो 1 minus x bracket wise 1 को पहले multiply किया 1 minus x, then multiply this one. तो 1 minus x square, then multiply this one 1 minus x cube, then multiply others bracket and the last term that is nth. nth में लिखने की जरूरत है, वो n terms है. Now it is 1 upon 1 minus x. Can you see the first term in every bracket are 1 1 1. तो इसको हम अगर एक तरफ लिख लें n terms तक की तो एक ब्रैकेट में ठीक लिख लें. एंड माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स क्यूब माइनस कॉमन लेके या x कॉमन लेके माइनस एक्स 1 यहां बचेगा 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर अप टू n टर्म्स. then you will get this type of bracket. Now you can see if you add 1 to n terms, what you will get? That is the n. But this is the series nth term. तो ये हो जाएगा 1 minus x n minus x, and in this case use the formula of the GP. x is not equal to 1 है इसमें, तो इसका मतलब कि कोई भी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जैसे 1 minus r to the power n अपॉन 1 minus r, क्योंकि 1 minus x से किया तो 1 minus x यहाँ भी आई. ओके, देन 1 upon 1 minus x n minus x, put the value a is equal to 1, r is equal to x, क्योंकि इसके कॉमन रेशियो, तो 1 minus x to the power n upon 1 minus x. This is the sum of this series. इस सीरीज का सम. अब इसको अंदर भी ले जा सकते हैं. यू कैन सिंप्लीफाई मोर, बट नो नीड टू सिंप्लीफाई, क्योंकि आगे और कुछ होना नहीं है, आगे कटेगा भी नहीं कुछ भी, तो यू कैन लीव हियर. तो बाय दिस वे यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द वेरियस types of questions in the sum to n terms in GP. One more, that is question number 25. In this question, the numbers are given, repeated numbers are given, like 7, 77, 777, 4 times 7, up to n terms. इसको up to n terms किया गया. अब सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? ये कोई सीरीज नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट द सीरीज. अगर इसको आप करना चाहें तो भी ये कोई सेम ना रेशियो ना सेम डिफरेंस आए. तो इफ यू टेक कॉमन 7, so what you will have like this up to n terms, then multiply. अगर इसको किसी तरह 9 के टर्म्स में मतलब कि चेंज कर दिया जाए तो 10 minus 1, इसको 10 minus 9 लिखा जा सकता है. इसको in that case it will come the 99, suppose तो 100 minus 1, तो उस तरह से कुछ लिखा जा सकता है कि you have to note this step. इस स्टेप को नोट करना है कि कैसे ये किया गया. तो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 9, तो मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाई 9, तो डिवाइड वाला ऐसे ही रखो, 9 से अंदर डिवाइड कर दें, मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, तो ये तुम्हारा इस तरह से है. देन चेंज दिस इन टर्म्स ऑफ 10. अब इसको 10 के टर्म्स में चेंज कर सकते हैं. यस, 7 by 9. कैन यू राइट दिस 10 minus 1? कैन यू राइट दिस 100 minus 1? कैन यू राइट दिस 1000 minus 1? अप टू n टर्म्स. ओके, जैसे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में फर्स्ट टर्म्स मतलब सेम थे, सेम टाइप से थे, और इसी तरह इसमें भी देखिए, एक ब्रैकेट में फर्स्ट टर्म अलग निकाल लें और सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में सेकेंड टर्म्स अलग निकाल. तो यू विल गेट 7 by 9, 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. In one bracket, minus is common, 1 plus 1 up to n terms in other bracket. Then s is equal to 7 by 9. Use the nth term of the GP, sum to n terms in GP, क्योंकि a की वैल्यू 10 है, और 1 minus r, और r to the power, क्योंकि कॉमन रेशियो इज 10, तो 10 to the power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1 फॉर्मूला. माइनस 1 को n टर्म्स तक की n आ गया. देन 7 by 9, 10 by 9, 10 to the power n minus 1 minus. This is the answer of this question. मतलब sum to this series up to n terms. Okay. So by this way you can solve the other questions also. I have told the different questions. So keep on watching the videos. I will get you time to time some more information about your exams, and also the anything comes from the council also I will tell you. Thank you.